In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact forms in Squarespace. Having a contact form on your website is a great way for visitors to easily get in touch with you or your business. It's both practical and professional, and integrating one is quite simple using Squarespace. Whether you're a small business owner or a blogger, this quick guide will help you add that essential contact form to your site. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace website editor. This is your main control panel, where you can edit and preview your site as you work on it. If you're unsure how to get there, simply log into your Squarespace account, and on the home menu, you should see an option that says Pages or similar directive. Click on this to enter the editing mode. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're on the page where you'd like your contact form to appear. Once you're in the right place, the next step is to add a new section. Look for a button labeled Add Section. It should be quite visible. By clicking on this, you'll be prompted with a list of different types of sections you can add. Sections are the building blocks of your Squarespace page, allowing you to insert various features and designs. You'll want to scroll through until you find the option for Forms. After selecting Forms, you'll be taken to a menu showcasing different types of forms you can integrate into your site. It's here that you'll want to choose a contact form. Squarespace offers several templates that vary in design and complexity, from minimal forms that collect just a few essential details to more elaborate ones that allow for multiple fields and customization. Pick the one that suits your needs best. Remember that the design you choose can always be customized later, so focus on a form layout that feels right for your site. Once you've decided on the form you want to add, you'll go ahead and click Saving your changes is crucial because it ensures that your new contact form will appear live on your site for visitors to use. Also, remember that saved changes might not be immediately visible unless you've published your page, so keep that in mind if you're in the middle of designing and not quite ready to go live. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully added a contact form to your Squarespace website. If you wish, you can further personalize your form, add or remove fields, and tweak settings like email notifications or data storage options, depending on your specific needs. A well-designed contact form can significantly enhance user interaction on your site, making it easier for visitors to reach out with inquiries or feedback. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you with your website development journey. Happy Squarespace editing!